Hi everybody, my name is Molly Cyr and I'm an application scientist at PerkinElmer. In this series of videos, I will present some solutions for the typical challenges of PFAS analysis. The focus of today's video will be how to minimize sources of contamination for PFAS analysis. The key challenge of measuring PFAS is that these compounds are ubiquitous throughout the environment and accumulate everywhere, including in the lab. Many of these components used in LC, MS, and solid phase extraction systems are made of polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, or PTFE copolymers, which leach PFAS compounds and cause background interference during sample measurement. Special care is required, and alternate materials must be used throughout the laboratory to reduce the absorption of these chemicals. Here I will show you how to mitigate contamination in 3 areas: the mobile phase and HPLC pump, the auto sampler, and the solid phase extraction system. High quality mobile phases and blank runs are important aspects of PFAS analysis. Instead of using conventional glass vials with PTFE lined septa, polyethylene vials and caps can be used to reduce contamination. The HPLC pump, auto sampler, and SP system all contain PFAS components that require mitigation as well. The HPLC system pump has PTFE parts that can leach PFAS compounds, and contamination is likely in all but the highest grade of reagents. To combat interference from these sources, a delay column can be installed in the flow path between the pump and the auto sampler. The delay column captures PFAS contaminants coming from the mobile phase, the solvent lines, or the pumps before they reach the auto sampler. As a result, the captured compounds elute via the gradient later than the analyte peak in the sample, enabling more authentic measurements of PFAS in the sample. In many cases, the HPLC auto sampler contains fluoropolymer tubing that introduces contamination on injection of the sample. It is recommended to replace all tubing with high-performance PEEK tubing to eliminate PFAS contamination during sample injection. For convenience, PerkinElmer offers a kit specifically developed to replace the tubing in the auto sampler for PFAS applications. SP extraction configurations normally include an abundance of fluoropolymers. The tubing connecting sample bottles to the SPE cartridges can be a significant source of PFAS contamination. Replacement of all transfer tubing with linear low-density polyethylene or PEEK tubing is necessary to avoid PFAS leaching. In addition, some of the valving on the manifold may be constructed of PTFE. Substitution with polyethylene stopcocks is recommended. Finally, sample collection during SPE extraction should employ polyethylene centrifuge tubes. The proper mitigation of all possible PFAS sources helps labs analyzing PFAS with high sensitivity and reducing risks of redoing the analysis. PerkinElmer offers solutions for the contamination mitigation. This was the first video of our PFAS Challenges video series. We encourage you to browse further on the website and contact us.